How often should I deep clean my memory foam mattress topper?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an important topic that often gets overlooked: deep cleaning your memory foam mattress topper. Knowing how to properly and regularly clean your mattress topper can significantly extend its lifespan and provide you with a better night's sleep.
Why is deep cleaning your mattress topper important?
Your memory foam mattress topper, just like any other bedding item, collects dust, sweat, and can harbor allergens over time. Deep cleaning it not only ensures a healthy sleep environment, but it also maintains the quality and comfort of the topper, allowing it to serve you well for many years.
How often should I deep clean my memory foam mattress topper?
As a general guideline, you should aim to deep clean your memory foam mattress topper at least every 6 months. However, if you spill something on the topper or if you're dealing with a specific issue like allergens, you may need to clean it more frequently.
What is the correct procedure for deep cleaning my mattress topper?
1. Remove. Start by removing the topper from your bed. 2. Vacuum. Vacuum the surface with a handheld vacuum to remove dust and debris. 3. Spot clean. Spot clean any stains using a mild detergent mixed with water. Apply it to the stain with a sponge and gently scrub. 4. Deodorize. You can deodorize your mattress topper by sprinkling it with baking soda, letting it sit for a few hours, and then vacuuming it off. 5. Air dry. Always air dry your memory foam mattress topper. It should never be machine dried as the heat can damage the foam. Make sure it's completely dry before you put it back on your bed to prevent mold and mildew. Remember, never soak your memory foam mattress topper in water or put it in the washing machine. It's a porous material that can take a very long time to dry if it gets too wet, and this can lead to mold growth. And that's a wrap on deep cleaning your memory foam mattress topper. Remember, a clean mattress topper contributes significantly to your sleep quality, and by cleaning it every 6 months or as necessary, you're bound to enjoy many comfortable and restful nights. Sleep tight!